Hello, hi guys, it's Zenji here and welcome back to another tutorial on the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a village builder for Minecraft 1.17 for Minecraft Java Edition. This particular tutorial is exactly the same as the one that I released on my channel earlier on last year, which was the fix for the Impulse SV design which broke in the 1.16.2 update, and I implemented a fix for 1.16.3. If you don't know how to build it, I'm going to build it in this video so I can show you guys that. I'm also going to show you guys how to get villagers into the breeder and also how to get villagers out of the breeder once they've been babies and grown up, because I get asked that question quite a lot. Also, a list of the materials how to build the breeder will be down in the description of the video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment on the video as well, because I'd love to know what you guys think. This particular breeder is super easy to build. You may have already seen it before, but as I said, I'm going to build it for you guys just so you can see it again, and you're able to build it in your new worlds when you start your 1.17 worlds. So what we'll do is, I'm taking glass for this. As you can see, you don't have to use glass, but I'm going to because it's easier to see into the breeder. So what you want to do is, you want to take your block that you're using, whatever block you're using, and you want to make like a little diamond like that, and make sure the center block has nothing in it. Then you want to build it up by 3 high, just like so, and you can see we have 3 glass blocks on either side all up. What you do is take your slab and lay a slab on top of each of the glass blocks like so. Next, what you want to do is take your fence post and place it off the slab, not the glass, off the slab, and this is what our villagers are actually going to stand on when they're in the breeder. Next, what we'll do is we'll take our bed, we'll place one bed like that and another bed like that. When you're placing the beds, always make sure the pillow end of the bed is sort of connected to the bottom end of the next bed. So if we just come around and do it like this, you can see each pillow is connected to the bottom end, and this actually does matter, so make sure you do this because it can actually sort of mess up your breeder in a hole. What we need to do next is actually just finish off. There's really not much more to it. So what I do is take your carpet and place a carpet on top of each of the pillows. This is key because this is actually the fixed part for how it broke. This is actually how it actually fixed it. Then what you want to do is, if you just sort of build up a little bit, and make sure what we'll need to do here is place a fence post just over the spare parts of the bed that are exposed. Just a fence post, a trapdoor, sorry. Just like so, and then what we'll do is we'll get rid of all this so the villagers are able to stand, and that's actually the breeder built. Yeah, make sure when you are placing the trapdoors, or they are open like this is exactly what we need to do configuration wise. And that's our breeder done, guys. And for those of you asking the question, how do we get the villagers actually into the breeder initially, all I'd recommend is building a little platform beside the beds like so, getting the villagers up on this platform either in a minecart or a rail, however you want to do it. Make sure they're not able to obviously walk off or fall off. Wait till night time and they actually are able to see the beds and have access to them. The villagers will jump into the beds as long as there's nothing else around, as in bed wise. Then get rid of the platform when it's night time, and then in the morning what will happen is, because we have the carpets over the beds with the trapdoors over the beds, the villagers have no other option other than getting out of their bed and stand on the fence post, and that's how you get them into the actual breeder. To get the breeder actually breeding, you should always give them a decent amount of food. I would always recommend giving them at least 9 stacks of food. As you can see, I've got carrots here, but you can also give them beetroot, bread or potatoes. If you are looking for a more automatic way of doing it, there is a link to one of my videos which shows you how to build an automatic version of this breeder in the top part of your screen right now. And as you can see, I gave them the 9 stacks of carrots, and it didn't take long for them to actually start the breeding process, and we should be seeing a baby any second now. Boom, there you go, and that's how you get the breeder started. Another question I've been asked quite a lot is, how do you get the villagers out of the breeder once they're bred up like this? The easy answer for this is take a minecart rail and actually bring a minecart rail just out from the breeder like so, so it's flat up against one of the corners of the breeder. Then simply take a minecart and push the minecart into the corner like so, and as you can see it picks up a villager. Reason for this is because there's so many sort of villagers in there, the villagers are pushing each other against the walls, and when the minecart comes along it actually interacts with the villager's hitbox and pulls the villager between the sort of corner gap there, and he pops in the minecart. And this is the best way of doing it without any villagers escaping. And that, guys, is how to build a villager breeder for Minecraft 1.17 for Minecraft Java Edition. If you have liked the video, by all means hit the like button down below, and if you are new to the channel, then please consider subscribing. And also don't forget to leave a comment, guys, because I'd love to know your thoughts on these videos. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!